Okay, so here we are. I'm shifting direction a little bit, and I'm doing that because life got easier. When I started with Claude Code, you had to go into the terminal, which can be kind of intimidating. I had to go into an IDE, independent development environment, which I use VS Code. And once you got through all that static and did a few things and watched 5 videos, you're pretty good. Now, I can bring people up to speed on that in about 2 hours, but the first hour is very frustrating, even when you're supported. It gives you someone to complain about when you're there. So recently, though, with a couple of members I've helped, I've said, you know what, use the Claude Desktop app itself to access code. There, you can do it over here. You've got chat, which is the regular interface. You've got cowork in the middle, and honestly, I don't use cowork very much. And then you've got Claude Code button here, and then it brings you into this interface, which looks exactly like the chat interface. But honestly, the difference is once you're here in Claude Code, you are immediately connected to your system files. So you can create a file, you can build an app, you can do all sorts of things right here. And the setup is basically download the desktop app from Anthropic and click one button right here, and your Claude Code is set up. A few limitations, and they're working on these, is I don't know how to open second windows in here, but I'm sure that's coming. I saw something on X that said it was coming. And so, what I'm doing is I'm going to start recommending people who are new to Claude Code to come through the desktop app. So, I'm going to reorient the lessons. I'm going to start next week. I'm going to lay it out in 5 posts of why, and we're going to point back to that lesson. Your life will get so much easier. If you want to become a power user, if you want to go further, yeah, we're going to leave the VS Code terminal stuff there um, for you. But that now that'll be a more advanced application. And I kind of like describe it as, trying to give yourself a root canal. It can be kind of that painful. This is not painful at all. And that's why I'm recommending it.